Morning, welcome to Pruett Woodworking. This weekend we're going to be building some epoxy serving trays. We started with a slab of black walnut, cut it into blanks. We're going to be thicknessing them, bringing them down to 3/4 of an inch. We're going to split them down the center, turn them so the two live edges are in the center, put them in our mold and fill them with epoxy, and then continue on from there, putting handles on them, final servicing, final cut to size. Follow along with us. Okay, so now we've got our blanks milled to just over 3/4 of an inch. We are going to run a line through the center, rip them down the center. On the bandsaw, we'll mill those two edges flat, then we're going to set them in our mold turned around so the two live edges are in the middle. Okay, we've got our boards milled. Okay, so we've got our parts set for our mold. We got the base, the side pieces. These will go around like that. They're screwed in. They'll all be covered in packing tape. The base is covered in a clear packing tape. I like the clear packing tape instead of the tuck tape because I could peel it off and reuse my mold parts. Tuck tape you can't get off, and this works just as well. It's the same basic material, just a different adhesive on the back. Basically all you do is just completely seal everything. As few wrinkles as possible. There'll be less sanding or easier sanding on the final once you peel it off. And you just wrap it all around. You're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get this finished up. This one all put together, and we'll do a pour. Okay, so we've got our epoxy mixed. We've got the purple, we've got the blue. It's set for about 5 minutes or so after I mixed it. Well, let's just go ahead and pour it in here. Slow and easy. We're going to end up with extra on the blue, I think. But that's fine. I'd rather have it mixed too heavy than too light. Alright, so there's our blue. We'll pour our purple in. Should be wearing gloves for this, but And there's our purple. So there we go. Now these are going to have to sit for probably 10 or so hours before I can add the swirls in them, maybe a little longer. And then 72 hours before I can take them out of the mold. And then we'll surface them and put our top coats on them.